ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯂꯥꯛꯏꯁꯤ ꯀꯔꯤꯅꯣ ꯆꯨꯝꯃꯕ꯭ꯔꯥ ꯁꯦ is it correct in the electronic configuration yes it is but it is not correct ꯆꯨꯝꯅꯗꯤ ꯎꯔꯦꯕ ꯑꯗꯨꯕꯨ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯁꯤꯗ ꯄꯤꯒꯗꯕ ꯀꯩ ꯍꯥꯏꯒꯅꯤ about the electronic transition ꯑꯅ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯛꯇ꯭ꯔꯣ about the electronic transition ꯑꯅ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯛ ꯇꯥꯔꯒꯗꯤ ꯁꯤꯒꯤꯁꯤ ꯆꯨꯝꯗꯣꯏꯅꯤ yes given order contain number of electron d1 d9 already shown in the d order but related to this electronic transition it is incomplete. It is incomplete. So, if we know DC anitomas D anitomas for this particular gigant 6, what is the geometry of that this particular compound? This particular compound is geometry is octahedral. Because the presence of 6 ligands. For the octahedral, the above is what? Easy. The below is what? Easy. E small OPI, capital OPI, no problem. The same here, easy. E 2C. This is very important. Very center, very level. I just start with the level. I the home Hambukin Nada, head Hana, level. How you see? The number of electrons present here. Why I got this? I told you. When Hanga Silira, Hanga Silira, I understand the work of Parasi connection to Uga. Understand her Walaga, Gana Pirabanina, Pocom, Ponzalira, I show a Tatana, shake of Zelina. I know, Mutomusina, Observer. Daddy, you look for that. You look for the Sukwena, layer. Daddy, you go. I get any tone, any tone of the go. Muneo, I don't know. For this particular, you can put the electron here. No problem. Can you put the electron here? Why? I put the electron here. But instead of here, can you put the electron here? No height, yes. No height to here. Correct answer there. But the no height go. Madam Label talk. Adi Madam Congress. How does it person lay? As a chief man said, the jail said, I don't know. I told you to go on there. I told you I had that. Move and you home to my don't Department of Liberty, a move with a Catania. Blue, a red, as I know, I said, I started to play with you. I explained, a learning Torata to say, I want to do it interesting way. Step by step, how is it here? In home. Another day, what it shows? What it shows? And what it shows? See that? The heritage is the money. See the heritage is the money. Can you give this energy level? Can you give this energy level? I don't know. Yes, I can. This is what before splitting. This is what after splitting. Why the energy level gets split? Yes, we have learned the crystalline field splitting. The crystalline field splitting, where do you split the withdraw? No. Madu directly answer na tergasu. Tawam tawani rule diyawani. To get the stability. This energy level T2G. What is the another name of this? Triply degenerate level. Doubly degenerate level. Why the triply degenerate level go down from the bearing center, from the energy level? What is this? Energy level. This is also energy level. That means what? When you move from top, bottom to top, the energy higher. Maka the other than the lowest part, this area. Wow. What is that? Sida punna layer me. Di hari semua pun mengasih orientation kita. Laser tak ada suci di dalam rumah tangga. Magi directly aligned to indirectly aligned to light. Those are aligned directly. They have the more splitting, more repulsion. Because electrons control the chemical properties. Among the electrons there will be repulsion. That is why to get that stability. Sina kaidore handa banina align kaudabina energy kundar ale. Adana city gap here. What is the this gap? 0.4 delta. This is what 0.4 and this is what 0.6 delta. Sometimes 6 difference in one type dq should be here. Whole dq you can do no problem. This is another way of energy representation. Delta not mean of the idea of the atom backward. So I point out city gave here point as minor label. The city point out the that energy to कोई की रहता है मायने बाहर है कोई city force के साथ नहीं लिएगा इलेक्ट्रॉन हाफ तक एकदम कंफर्टेबल हो गया तो What is the number of electrons here? 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Ho rekho. Ya rekho cha. Sikham ho rekho. Adudi speed question namla aa gaya. Jikitu kham ho rekho. And the electron shown by the blue mark when I do the explanation, is it same or different? Depend on the number of electron is same. Yeah, speak question. The red की electron दोनों करीता की blue की electron इंटर तो बड़ी मरम दोनों करीता की When the electron entering using the red mark and when the electron entering using blue, though it is same number but different entering mode. Natra, ready? Sigi mark kamai tau, sigi mark kamai tau, who reko? मार्क उइदो कई ताई सी मार्क उइदो कई ताई सी मार्क उइदो कई ताई पर लो स्पिन कॉम्प्लेक्स हाई स्पिन कॉम्प्लेक्स को और हाई स्पिन कॉम्प्लेक्स और हाई और लो स्पिन कॉम्प्लेक्स रेडी सिदा तौगिबदो हाई स्पिन कॉम्प्लेक्स की मॉडल और लो स्पिन कॉम्प्लेक्स की मॉडल सिदा तौगिबदो लो स्पिन कॉम्प्लेक्स की मॉडल हाई स्पिन कॉम्प्लेक्स की मॉडल इने या अभी फोटो से इबे यावदा जो उनबने है क्वेश्चन द सप्लीमेंट तौने या लेदोरिबा लोइना नुंगाई लेतोइने लोइना नुंगाई लेरबदा ती फनि को जाजि नुंगाई खोलगा हा तक 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 तौरगा मा पी इबे यानबे हे इरबदा हक देफो करी मने हंजन नमु येनागा टिक मा तौगे होबो जागादा टिक मा खुदो गसे कोइ से को छै त याम फ्रीली टिक मा तो टिक मा तो मा माइना तौरगा टिक मा तो एंदाइ को मखन याम दी बसे लो हे लो टीचिंग लाइन दा ता ट्रेनिंग दी होरा का खंग दिस इज आल्सो टिक मा अनदर टाइप ऑफ टिक मा की होरगा को फ्रीली टिक मा तो जे नंगी आंसर टू सैटिस्फाई तो मनु चल अदुगा टिक मा तौरगा इतन कई हाइतारे इतन कोई सिमकी नद्रे देखो सिदा कइनो नंगी आंसर से हातो हाकिन लतो लोकिन तो बया जगा खरा यावबी लेबे अरदादि सिदेसु मार्क्स कोना लेने अदि ngasai रेड मार्क तौदिबा ब्लू मार्क तौदिदु सिगी मनुंगा अमा उदय one of these two one related one of these two one related अरदादि करम related तौगे तो मुदुं चेक तौजे ngasai रेड मार्क तौदिदु 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 इसंgi नत्रा अदुना ताकि कइनो सिगी जगह से gap 15 है the distance between this is short red magnetai do delta node की जगह से short हो दुगा blue magnetai do delta node की जगह से long है some type area entering using the red mark entering using the blue mark is different but though the same number of electrons so I want to show short low but the signal given in this gap is seen clear and the ma short to and si short to so na te ha adra e is my amana e is my human the e is kind size the kind why this a is very big and this a is very small we to get more energy can you put the more energy the more energy I will put to come yes she is suddenly very volume she is suddenly energy की volume मात्र she ना मैंने that show the energy difference it is very simple to understand ko adudani sigi idea se kun khanga tanda thaba to kuma tanda nena kuma tanda ngai doi then here come to this here also sida so kai ga sai ki mai na koi ji dai doi sigi give c 0.6 sigi give c na 0.4 delta na dai same chi gap se koi gi delta no to loi lai de ko ya chi delta no lai de ji gi nga si can you see the electronic transition here like oh Aku lai ko. Sakhala sa. Dia kuna pami ba answer si yaw ta ki na magcha electronic transition da focus to tore. Ani ta ji sida lai ja. Can you see the electronic transition here? Up to this stage boga electronic transition boga. Uyudi. Yek ta bhai ra. Hang ni ne mo. Azani yek ta bhai ra. Udri. Ye ju yek ta ko. Ada tadi. Mana electronic transition to ke hai target there will be some energy in the form of High nu or any other form. The absorption of energy takes place. Then, after the transition, electron present here. After the transition, electron present here. Ada tadi, sudah lagi electronic configuration ka, sudah lagi electronic configuration ka different way. How much amount of energy absorbed to get excited from T to G to EG is part of based on the delta mode. Can you see? Just I mentioned based on the delta node energy kaya lawkar kar gaya. जी मुनाओ भी लिखो हाई सी क्वेश्चन फटा फटा क्वेश्चन याम नहीं है अइना हम पे अइने सेम दे क्वेश्चन जो अइ ब्लाइंड दा ताम ने न सेम वे सेम डे है जे मम जो है I also take the reference from the other university level CD level da kai da on the level loi lo NAP 20 lai se kai da NAP 20 da moi na baum pi si manung da loi lo institute loi university se CD se loi na protocol sat ya de ne CCC cover to nang nangi availability feasibility bi yang ga adu le sem de aduna amaga here we saw the electronic transition. Moving from here to here. What is the name of this? What is the name of this? Can you guess? University the lab to carry away. University is in hiding. University yum sabiduna yum halin haidena artaji coming from here to here kari mani thonde hello electronic transition natro aside ke sisa ji kari thonde electronic transition artaji before the transition what is the electronic configuration? And after the transition, what is the electronic configuration? My question I want to know the name of the electronic configuration here and here. Both are D1. Can you give or any other possible name? This is also D1, this is also D1. No change. But one change is nothing. T2G1 to C2G and the EG0. Here, what is this? T2G0, EG1. This is another title of the electronic configuration based on the electronic transition. means I want to give you this briefing because you are leaving the Dhanamant University. Thus, after the final examination we have on first week of the September thase oja ki respect over tha asida nakoi se university thadokpa reflecting a beautiful image to the university. We the third prakana asaba image of thambiram doi kari image no ye group se thawai yawi onaba kali mark phajana tawgi makoi se thadokibda yare akoi icha isuji koi na takpi rege thadhrabni kana kana number noi like takning ma class 9 10 11 12 leidi hairo makoi sinaro ene thadokibda yare ko si poche ji nai then come to this D9 saya su D1 disu apa ini itu kada wajib. What is D9? This is D9. The present electron in the D9 is formed by this particular final test. What is that? See that what type of electronic transition happen? What type of electronic transition happen? E2G to EG. Electronic transition. E2G to EG electronic transition. Then another internally set the way of question Neogo, Jurego. Can you show EG to E2 electronic transition? E2 the EG transition in front of us. This is also another spectroscopic level. This is also another spectroscopy level. These two spectroscopy level belongs to what? Kanadewi D orbital. Siapa Kanadewi D transition. This should be noted. D transition in Baranda. Another question, another same after the MSc we can face the UGC, NET, CRM, etc. They have not sustainable question. Is it reported forbidden or allowed transition? What is that? Mama selection will be delta S, delta L, 0, all these things reflect the forbidden, allowed, or distant. My question is, after knowing the transition from T to G to EG, I want to taste one opposite transition from here to here. This is general we have done here. But I want to view the reverse transition. I want to view the reverse transition. Question can I go? This is general transition I have shown or you have learned from my lecture. But after knowing the part of this transition, we can focus another questionable part. Instead of this, the question may be reflected here. We have learned here, but the question may be put here. No problem. This is not out of sentence. This is inside the sentence. You should know. hei sudah hana ga noi na la si transition de koi ta bakti ha ni lai ko adu ta di kana ba ka da ke what type of example or what type of reference you can take they do we the Mahamati instead of octahedral you can take the tetrahedral in the tetrahedral the energy is reversed. That is why you should know these things. And I go, see me and you should go, come on. And I go, when I'm not going to do this, I'm not going to do this. Otherwise, I'm not going to do this. I go, and for this particular, we have to take octahedral in order to learn tetrahedral. Why? The lower part, see, and you see tetrahedral only. Currently, already now we have learned in the previous MSc, first, second, etc., etc. But you are in the final stage. All these things, all the chapter you have learned here, keep your best. Keep your best. Then come to this point, D9. That is the D. See the inertia here. Inertia here. Inertia absorb inertia absorb inertia absorb ke tamne ma isu electronic transition lai goi na to ma isu electronic transition lai goi ta de yang ai oni ko sai tri ko ya phasari se yes in the titanium compound we have learned the electronic transition. So we can observe the spectrum related to the transition. Because electronic transition happen due to this absorption of suitable EMR or positivity or both. This is the clue why the electronic transition happen. Right? So, is it possible to transition from here to here, just like the previous one? हम में से क्या देखो हम में से हम लोग अरे देख ये तुम ये माइंड चेक 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 transition đâu đâu देखो तब नीचे का मतलब देखिए और देखिए any one of these will move here or here sudah move to here dan देखो sudah move to here suppose sudah move to here Dia move to tanda. What is this? Jadi kita sebut saja kayak itu electron transition. Sebut kami situ. The movement of this kayak electronic transition. Yarabat. Here. Before the transition here, after the transition here. Electron से automatically घूमत है एक तो बेच चलता है एक तो वो जो करते हैं ट्रांजिशन भी कभी तो एक तो वो जो करते हैं very fast why this is lower energy level. This is lower energy level than this. Stable sky the way lower energy. Mana kana kita berobat suci lower energy level mana pun. Ada di kumang ke di sedang di lawa itu. Si kumang सिगिसे सिगे हेनो electron transition sina kaino return very fast because it is very lower inertia. Stable oina ba koi se orbital sida 6 level fulfill le so why not fulfill le sida 5 level dagi ye number ki le that is man to progress is by that adu tadi masih transition sa mamai de kai ko ya sini transition ni mamai de kai ade adu tanda ice sini transition ni mamai sa kai ko ge hai ma tanda ice means sida la iba ice se kai hai na all immersion cover whole immersion hadi tau bada nungai ta hadi thak thangkalu ko su na tau bune tarakna han tarakna han kai ki tarai no ma lawada ma sida maya sida aduna this part is very important because it is stable. Stable lagi move to basi wo chok na dia. Hamni ko sina adu tadi masina edo ya all inversion ki mohta kari la opposite kari ko ba octa hai opposite of the hydrogen. Now, here the electronic transition is kamai tawi T2G dagina EG da transition tawi mota EG dagi T2 da electronic transition tawi onto indai ko onto mina ka dora mana sai sida dai unstable way unstable way is reference of ideas की electron transition करते हैं. Is your this